Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add friends in Kingshot. Here's how to add friends in Kingshot. First, unlock the World Chat feature, as this is the main place to find and interact with other players. Once in World Chat, tap the Friends option in the top right corner, select Add Friends. You can search for a specific player by name, or if you prefer, add random friends by viewing a character's profile and pressing the Add Friend button. You can also add friends directly from your alliance, where you can see all members and send friend requests. Keep in mind that you need to be in the same world or server as the person you want to add. Following the steps allows you to expand your social network in Kingshot, making collaboration and alliance coordination easier and more enjoyable. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.